Hi guys, it's Thursday, April 30th. Tomorrow means it's May 1st. That means we are almost to the end of the school year. This daily decision making is a little bit different, but I'm going to walk you through it and we'll go from there. Problem or situation? You are at a restaurant and your host and your waitress forgets to bring you a soda. You have three possible choices with three possible solutions. So, number one, yell at the waitress. Number two, don't say anything. Number three, next time you see the waitress, nicely ask for the drink. Okay? Positive. You will get your drink soon and everything will go as planned. The waitress will not become upset for forgetting something. You will get your drink eventually. So you need to put these positive outcomes where they go here. So if you're yelling at the waitress, what's going to happen? Don't say anything. What's going to happen? Next time you see the waitress, you nicely ask for the drink. What would happen? And then you're going to put the negative outcomes on the bottom. Negative. You will be thirsty. You will have to wait a little bit for your drink, but you will get it soon. The waitress will be upset and not bring your drink quickly. So you're going to want to put these three in the correct sections down here. And if you need help, ask a parent or supervisor, or you can contact me or Miss S in our virtual classrooms during our office hours. Okay? Hope you guys have a great Thursday. I miss you and talk to you soon.